A stone like this shows a really good place for a big crustacean or a big fish is living under it. You can see where it scraped all the sand out to get down underneath the rock. I was right. Underneath that rock was another lobster, and it's another meal. You can see where he's really growing his cutting claw. And it was an epic battle to get him out. Coastal Gaze 2, lobsters, nil. No matter how many of these I find, I still love seeing that cool blue colour. And the red antennae too. We'll take him back down and release him under the rock where we found him.